Well, got a lot of fine water today. It's very quiet, apart from a few areas we had earlier. I'm not doing proper filmings, but I'm doing that proper filming soon. Yeah, this is basically the walk I walk down this hill quite often. I wanted to go to Launceston this morning, but I spoke to my mum last night, said I wanted to be dropped off where my sister was last week. She's very close to it, and she probably forgot, as usual. But yeah, we could generally swap the time around now. I need to walk out in my local area. I thought to try my new camera out, you'll see, so I'll film me now, I'll do some pictures. Just trying to get used to the feeling of this camera. It's better quality, night and day. Night vision apparently is on this, it's supposed to be quite good. But we'll see. Because in winter, we'll test that out. In the meantime, I'll try it in later date, I think, for that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Cheers.